Get Your Guide booking platform review, usage experience. Welcome to this Get Your Guide review. Links to the platform and its exclusive offers are provided in the description below. Get Your Guide is a leading booking platform designed to help travelers find and book activities, tours, and experiences around the world. Whether you're looking for guided tours, local excursions, museum tickets, or unique experiences, Get Your Guide simplifies the process of planning and booking your activities all in one place. One of Get Your Guide's standout features is its wide selection of experiences, with over 60,000 activities available in destinations across the globe. The platform caters to all types of travelers, from those looking for family-friendly adventures to those seeking thrilling outdoor experiences or cultural explorations. Whether you're booking a city tour, skip-the-line tickets to major attractions, or a cooking class, Get Your Guide offers a range of options to suit different interests and budgets. The platform's search and filtering tools are user-friendly, allowing you to easily narrow down options based on location, price, duration, and customer reviews. Each listing includes detailed information about the activity, photos, pricing, and a rating system, so you can make informed decisions before booking. Get Your Guide also provides free cancellation on many experiences, giving you flexibility in case your travel plans change. Another great feature is the Get Your Guide mobile app, which makes booking and managing your activities even easier. You can view your bookings, access digital tickets, and receive instant updates about your activities, all directly from your phone. This makes it incredibly convenient for travelers on the go. Get Your Guide is ideal for travelers who want to enhance their trips with memorable experiences. The platform's extensive options, combined with transparent pricing and trusted reviews, ensure that you'll find something tailored to your interests. In conclusion, Get Your Guide is a top-tier platform for booking activities and experiences worldwide. Its vast selection, flexible booking options, and user-friendly design make it the go-to choice for travelers looking to get the most out of their trips. Check the links in the description to explore Get Your Guide and start planning your next adventure today.